Greetings from the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia. I am Dr. Lynn Schuchter, the President of the American Society of Clinical Oncology. We are so very excited for the upcoming Korean Society of Medical Oncology 2023 conference to be held in Seoul, Korea this year. Since its founding, KSMO has established itself as a leading voice in medical oncology in Korea, Asia, and around the world. Through your dedicated efforts in education and research, KSMO has greatly advanced multidisciplinary cancer care to the benefit of countless patients with cancer in Korea. With our many shared goals, KSMO and ASCO have been natural partners since the very beginning. It has been our pleasure at ASCO to collaborate with you on this journey to witness your impressive growth for more than a decade. ASCO is pleased to partner with you on two joint symposia this year. One is Targeting Rare Genomic Aberrations in Precision Oncology, and the second is Recent Advances in Multidisciplinary Cancer Treatment. My colleague, ASCO past president, Dr. Everett Vokes, will be co-chairing one of these sessions, and I know he is so looking forward to connecting with KSMO attendees. Our joint sessions this year exemplify the kind of collaboration with KSMO and ASCO that we've had for many years. Together, we are exploring the cutting edge of the field, helping our members and colleagues to understand the practical applications of these advances to really benefit our patients. I strongly encourage everyone to attend the 2023 meeting, and our warmest congratulations to you, KSMO, on your 16th annual meeting. Well done, and thank you.
Hello everyone, member of KSMO. I'm Chikashi Shioka, President of the Japanese Society of Medical Oncology, JSMO. First of all, congratulations on the great success of the KSMO 2023, the 16th annual meeting of the Korean Society of Medical Oncology. As most of members of JSMO know, your society has recently played a remarkable international role, not only in Asia, but also in the world through your outstanding clinical research. We always respect your success and welcome to it, because both cancer profiles and ethnicity among our countries are similar, and research progress of our societies should contribute to advance in medical practice in Asia. So, collaboration beyond borders, cancer research beyond limits is, I think, the best slogan for current Asian countries. Again, congratulations on the great success of KSMO and KSMO 2023, and I hope for the further progress of your society towards next decades. Thank you.